Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm thrilled to walk you through the application process for the King Abdulaziz University Scholarships 2024. In this video, I'll cover crucial details like scholarship information and benefits, programs offered, eligibility criteria, documents requirements, and for your convenience, I've prepared an online video tutorial on how to apply. If you find this information helpful, please consider giving the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's dive into the exciting world of the King Abdulaziz University Scholarships together. Scholarships description. The scholarship opportunity is in Saudi Arabia, hosted by King Abdulaziz University, offering fully funded programs for undergraduate, master's, and PhD degrees. This opportunity is open to international students, and the application deadline is currently open. Financial benefits. Financial support for this scholarship includes full coverage of tuition fees, a monthly stipend of Saudi Riyal 1500, and an initial one-time allowance of Saudi Riyal 1800. Accommodation and meals are also provided, with free hostel facilities and meals included. Research assistants benefit from a stipend of Saudi Riyal 1000, excluding summer. Health and well-being are prioritized, as medical insurance is included in the package. Additionally, printing expenses are covered with Saudi Riyal 4000 for PhD candidates and Saudi Riyal 3000 for MS candidates. Travel assistance is provided in the form of annual airfare tickets. This comprehensive support ensures a conducive and worry-free environment for pursuing academic endeavors. Study programs offered. The bachelor degree programs cover earth sciences, engineering, law, marine sciences, science, communication and media, environmental designs, art, meteorology, arid land agriculture, computing, and more. Master's, MPhil degree programs include specializations in urban and regional planning, biology science, and various engineering fields. Doctoral degree programs offer advanced studies in computer science, environmental sciences, biology, engineering, and marine sciences, including urban and regional planning. Eligibility requirements for bachelor's degrees. Health requirement. Prospective students must be in good health. Educational qualifications. Completion of higher secondary school education or an equivalent qualification is mandatory. Certificate validity. The higher secondary school certificate should not be more than 3 years old. Age criteria. Applicants must be at least 17 years old but not more than 25 years old. Special condition for female applicants. Female students are eligible to apply only if they have a relative residing in Saudi Arabia throughout the duration of their degree. Eligibility requirements for MS and PhD degrees. Age limits. For master's degree, applicants should not exceed 30 years. For doctoral degree, applicants should not exceed 35 years. English language proficiency. For degrees earned in a language other than English, the following English language test scores are required. IELTS, International English Language Testing System, 5.0 band. TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, 500 in PBT. TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, 173 in CBT. Recommendation letters. 2 recommendation letters are necessary from the applicant's last institute. Academic history. Candidates must not have faced dismissal from any university in Saudi Arabia. Language proficiency for specific programs. Proficiency in spoken and written Arabic is required for programs in Arabic language and literature, Islamic law and studies, psychology, sociology, and information science. Required documents. Detailed resume or CV. A thorough resume or curriculum vitae outlining the applicant's background and experiences. Motivational letters or statements of interest. Must be in English for all programs, excluding Islamic studies and Arabic language. Certified copies. A certified copy of the graduation certificate, authenticated by the Saudi Embassy in your country. Recommendation letters. 2 recommendation letters from pertinent sources supporting the applicant's candidacy. Passport copy. A copy of the passport for identification purposes. Apply procedure for King Abdulaziz University scholarships. Access the online application. Visit the provided link to access the online application portal. Initiate the application process. Click on the Apply Now button on the web page to start your scholarship application. Create your university portal account. Follow the prompts to create your account on the university portal. Provide the required information accurately. Complete the online application. Fill out the scholarship application form online. Ensure that you provide all necessary details accurately. Upload required documents. As part of the application process, upload all the necessary documents specified by the university. This may include academic transcripts, recommendation letters, and any other required materials. Review your application. Before submission, carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy and completeness. Submit your application. Once satisfied with your application, submit it through the online portal. How to apply online video tutorial. To initiate your online application, please click on the official website link. For a step-by-step guide and to ensure a smooth application process, we have prepared an online video tutorial. To avoid mistakes during the application, we highly recommend watching the tutorial. Simply click on the link provided in the video description. Thank you for taking the time to view the video, and best of luck with your application. Please like that video and subscribe my channel.